Hi guys, are you ready for our next two chapters? Chapter 5, Room 201. I don't love Monday mornings. They come too soon. I yawned and waited for the school bus. Mila swiped a finger across her nose. It was our secret signal. She tucked a paper into my palm. I glanced at the note. 4-15, 25-15-21, 18-5-1-12-12-25, 2-5-12-9-5-22-5, 9-14, 19-16-1-3-5, 1-12-9-5-14-19, question mark. It was in code. Not a problem, though. This was an easy one. Mila must have been in a hurry. It's called substitution code. Each number stands for a letter in the alphabet. Number 1 is letter A, number 2 is letter B, number 3 is letter C, all the way to 26 for letter Z. Oh, that is a cool code. I want to try to write you a message in that code. Ooh. On the bus, I wrote 2 columns with the numbers and letters in my notebook. Figuring out the message was easy as that. Anybody can do it. Well, what's your answer to my question? Mila asked. I pulled down my cap. I'm a detective. It doesn't matter what I believe. My job is to follow the clues. I believe in facts. Behind us, I heard Joey talking to Ralphie, Jordan, and Geetha. Nair. He bragged, I am helping Jigsaw. We're searching for aliens from outer space. Mila looked at me and she raised an eyebrow. That sounds fun, Ralphie said. I'm Jigsaw's right-hand man, Joey said, even though I'm a lefty. Kim Lewis joined the conversation. Kim had short hair and 3 freckles on the tip of her nose. Bobby once saw a flying saucer, she said. Here's a picture of them on the bus. I glanced back. Geetha gulped. She looked pale and worried. Oh, I doubt it, Ralphie said. Bobby is always making up stories. I believe it, Joey said. It's called a UFO, an underflying something. Mila turned around. She explained. UFO means an unidentified flying object. Oh, whatever. Ralphie laughed. We hurried to room 201. We loved our teacher, Miss Gleason. She was better than a cold glass of lemonade on a summer day. Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you all had a nice weekend. It was too short, Biggs Maloney grumbled. Weekends should last all week, Lucy Hiller agreed. Everyone liked that idea, even Miss Gleason. After morning announcements, Miss Gleason got us moving. She often says, we have to wake up our bodies and our brains. We did exercises, sang songs, and danced. Today she taught us a new song. It sounded like The Farmer in the Dell, but a lot worse. The earth turns around, the earth turns around. Once a day and every day, the earth turns around. The moon goes round the earth, the moon goes round the earth. Once a month, every month, the moon goes round the earth. Here's a picture of them singing and dancing. The earth goes round the sun, the earth goes round the sun. Once a year and every year, the earth goes round the sun. We added dance steps. Lucy was great at it. We twirled in circles, but that didn't last long. String Bean Nonan said his stomach felt dizzy. His face turned greenish. That made Miss Gleason nervous, so we all had to sit down. Oh, I am just so excited for this week, Miss Gleason told us. We will be having a surprise visitor from far, far away. Everybody started asking questions at once. Miss Gleason raised her hand. No, 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 she said. I can't tell you. Otherwise, it wouldn't be a surprise. Oh, rats, Helen Zuckerman muttered. Snails, Bobby groaned. Cookies, Joey said. Cookies? Mila asked. Joey's eyes brightened. Do you have any? No, Mila said. You said cookies. I was just wondering why. Joey touched his belly. A guy can dream, can't he? Chapter 6, Our Solar System. We gathered around the reading rug. As you know, I love science, Miss Gleason said. We don't do much science in 2nd grade, but this week we will explore our solar system. We will do art projects, watch videos, read books, and sing silly songs. Kim said. That's right, Kim, Miss Gleason said. All week long we're going to celebrate our neighborhood in space. Our solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way? Joey said hopefully. He's probably hoping for the candy bar. I'm sorry, Joey. We are not talking about the candy bar. We're talking about space, Miss Gleason said. Joey frowned. A few of us giggled. I noticed 2 new posters on the wall. Both were about planets. You've been decorating, I said. Thank you for noticing, Jigsaw. Good detective work, Miss Gleason winked. I came in on Sunday. I thought the room needed sprucing up. She pointed to a red basket. I also organized all of our space books in one place. There are new books in there, too. I've been updating our collection. Out with the old and in with the new. Be sure to check them out. And remember, space is the place. She opened a nonfiction book titled The Planets. Miss Gleason explained that the sun is a star, not a planet. It is much, much bigger than the Earth. Imagine that the sun is the size of a basketball. Miss Gleason picked up a marker and made a green dot on the whiteboard. That tiny dot would be the Earth. We learned about the 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. That's a lot to remember, Biggs said. Here's a trick to help you, Miss Gleason said, and she wrote on the board. My very educated mother just served us nachos. Everybody thought the same thing. Huh? Oh, I get it, Mila said. It's the first letter for every planet. My equals Mercury, very stands for Venus, and nachos stands for delicious, Joey joked. Here's a picture of Miss Gleason and the class. After she finished reading, Miss Gleason tucked a bookmark into the book. We'll get back to this tomorrow. I believe it's almost time for PE. During recess, we climbed on the pirate ship, but we didn't play pirates. All the talk was about aliens. Half the kids said they believed in aliens. Sure, I believe, Mike Radcliffe said. I bet flying saucers visit Earth all the time. Why don't we ever see them? Mila asked. It's top secret, Mike replied. The government doesn't want anyone to know. They keep it all hidden so we don't go nuts. Bobby stepped forward. I saw one. I woke up in the middle of the night. There was a weird sound outside. Bzz, bzz, he droned. So I looked out my window. I saw bright, flashing lights. Psst. Hey, Jigsaw, can I talk to you and Mila? Joey yanked on my arm. Easy on the arm, Joey. I might need it someday, I said. Joey looked around and he whispered, in private. There's a picture of the little boy. I think Bobby is his name, looking out his window. He led us to the swing set and he sat down and waited, looking back at me, so I gave him a shove. Okay, Joey, what do you want? I want to help you guys, he said. I could be a detective too. You could teach me. I scratched the back of my neck. I don't know, Joey. Mila poked me with an elbow. We could use help with the stakeout. The stakeout? Exclaimed Joey. I love stakeouts. I am awesome at stakeouts. He paused, then asked in a soft voice, what's a stakeout? My knees began to itch. A small headache formed behind my eyes. Mila spoke to Joey. We need to help and keep an eye on the little free library. I have a piano lesson today. Jigsaw can't do it all by himself. Your job, Joey, is to hide and watch. There's a picture of the kids on the swing sets. Hide and watch, Joey repeated. See who comes by, Mila said. I can keep 2 eyes on it, Joey offered, and he pointed at his eyeballs to make sure we understood what he meant. I looked at Mila. I wasn't sure about this. It's fine, Jigsaw, she said. Joey can help. What could go wrong? A lot, I thought, but I didn't say a word. Instead, I said, we need to find out who left those notes. That's the key, Joey. There's a key? Joey asked. Never mind, I replied. And that's the end for today. Bye.